If you've been wondering how to set up Zapier with GetResponse, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to automate your email marketing process using these two tools, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to make this integration work for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, head to your Zapier account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap to start the process of setting up your integration with GetResponse. Zapier is your go-to tool for automating tasks between different apps, and GetResponse is a powerful platform for email marketing. Together, they can save you tons of time and streamline your workflow. Next thing, choose GetResponse as your trigger app. You'll be prompted to connect your GetResponse account to Zapier if you haven't done so already. Just click Sign into GetResponse, log into your GetResponse account, and grant permission for Zapier to access your data. It's really that simple. Once connected, select your trigger event, for example, when a new subscriber is added or when a campaign is sent. This is what will set this app in motion. The third thing you'll do is set up your Action app. This is where you decide what happens next in the automation process. Zapier supports hundreds of apps, so you can easily integrate GetResponse with your CRM, social media, Google Sheets, or pretty much any app you use. Let's say you want to add a new subscriber to a Google Sheet every time someone subscribes to your GetResponse list. You'll choose Google Sheets as your Action app and set it up to create a new row with the subscriber's information. Next, Zapier will ask you to map the fields between your trigger and action. For example, you'll map the email address from GetResponse to the email column in Google Sheets. This is crucial because Zapier needs to know what data to send where. It's a quick setup, and once done, you can test the Zap to make sure it's working correctly. Once your test passes, you're ready to turn on your Zap and let it run automatically. Now, every time a new subscriber is added to your GetResponse list, their details will be automatically added to Google Sheets, or whatever app you've chosen for the action. Now, while Zapier and GetResponse are both solid tools, I have to mention that there are some limitations. Zapier can get a bit pricey as you scale up, especially if you need a lot of tasks automated. And GetResponse, while great for email marketing, doesn't have as many advanced features and automation compared to other tools like ActiveCampaign. So if you're looking for something more robust, you might want to consider exploring other options. The fifth thing, though, and this is where I'm going to get real with you, if you want something that can offer even more advanced automation features while still being user-friendly, I recommend checking out ActiveCampaign. They offer an even better integration with Zapier, more flexibility, and are more focused on sales-driven email marketing. Before you go, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you're still looking to get started with GetResponse or Zapier, I've got a special deal for you through our link. You'll get an extended free trial, plus some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. But also, if you're considering the alternatives I mentioned, they come with their own free trials too, and might just be a better fit for your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the first link in the description to grab that exclusive offer.